Christmas. It's about carols singing, cash registers ringing, surviving the family rows, TV repeats, turkey and treats, and a tree with an angel, a star, or a cow, and snow, or at least drizzle, and of course presents, the gifts that we give and the gifts that we get. Carefully planned or desperately found. Some for a lifetime. Others for, well, slightly less. But what if there was a box under the tree that we somehow missed year after year? Alone and unopened. Ignored. And what if this box contained the most amazing gift we could ever receive? This year, why not take a peek inside and have not just a very happy Christmas, but a very different Christmas?